Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Equations Part 3 Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice solving equations which require more than one operation. Now we've had a lesson on this topic, so if you need some help or you're not sure what to do, click on the link on the next slide. That will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of these examples. So if we look at what's required, we have to solve each of the following equations by showing all working. That's really important. So for this equation here, there could be 4 or 5 lines of working, and you have to show that working to demonstrate that you understand the procedure. Now let's just use this here as an example of what might be required. We explained in the video that in order to solve an equation like this, the last line gives us k equals something, and the something will be some type of number. So k must be by itself on the left hand side. In other words, we have to remove this 8 from the left hand side, and we also have to remove the 7. Now in doing that, we have to notice that this sign is a plus sign, so that gives us a clue what we need to do to both sides to eliminate the 8. After we've done that, we notice that over here we have a multiplication sign. So then we have to do something to both sides to eliminate that 7. And after we've done that, that will actually solve the equation, and we end up with k equals something. So the only difference between this one and that one is here we have a minus sign. So again, that gives us a clue as to what we have to do to both sides to eliminate the 9. That's the first part of the working. So all the examples follow the same pattern. We need to end up with something like E equals something, M equals something, and that gives us the answer. So all these numbers here, these extra numbers, they have to be eliminated. And there is a process for doing that. And it's exactly the same for all of these equations. In some instances, you'll have the answer as a fraction or a mixed number. Sometimes you might even have the answer as a whole number. It doesn't matter. The process is the same, and you have to end up in the last line with the given letter equals a particular number. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice solving equations which require more than one step. And there's help on the next slide if you need it, because it'll allow you to click on the lesson, and that will explain how to do each and every one of these examples.